So once you've drilled a hole, you're probably going to want to put a screw in it. But before you put a screw, you have to tap it first. So at FTC we used a 632-bit tap size. In order to attach the tap bit to the tap, you just insert it like this, tighten it, and I'm going to be using pliers to tighten it. So before tapping, you're going to want to decide whether you have to apply lubricant to the tap bit or not. So whenever you're tapping into metal, you always want to lose lubricant or the tap fluid. But whenever you're tapping polyethylene, never use the lubricant because it's corrosive and can damage the polyethylene. Since I'm tapping into metal right now, I'll just apply some lubricant. So it's always important to tap at a 90-degree angle, because if you don't, then the threads inside could go in an angle and it'll make it much harder to screw in. So once you start tapping, you're going to want to try and start out a little fast. That way, your tap doesn't end up at a lopsided angle and your screw threads are more straight. You're going to try and want to tap all the way through and a little bit past the length of the screw, because that way the screw can nicely fit in with the threads. So when you're done, you just have to turn it the other way to go back out. And that is how you tap.